Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Morgan. I am here to help you to create your Works Cited page for your research project. So first thing you're going to do is type in shortcut so you can go to the Beaverton resource page, and then you're going to scroll down to the hostless Citation Maker. Oops, sorry about that. Hostless Citation Maker. And there's two different types. There's the APA and MLA. For your project, you're going to do MLA, so you can just click right there. I should show you. If you need step-by-step instructions, they're also here as well. All right, so once you click on the type that you want to make, you have some options. So there's different source types listed over here. Doesn't look like it, but these are all links to creating different citations for different types of media. So let's say you found something on one of the databases and it's a journal article. You click there, and then you can enter in as much information as you have about it. Now, you guys have an advantage of the fact that a lot of the databases, and here I'm going to I'm in the Gale in Context biography. If I were using this article about Cindy Poitier, if I scroll down to the bottom, it actually has the citation right there. You could just copy it. You could click export to Google Drive, and you could just save it. So if you were doing that, then this part you don't have to do. But if you didn't, or if you're using actual books or other things that you found, maybe you watched a video or something like that, you can pick one of these other ones. So let's look at video recording. If we click video recording, and you can see some examples here. So if you say you were doing something about fast food, maybe you watched the movie Super Size Me, and then you put in, for whatever type of media you're using, all the information that you have, as much as you can find. So this would be the author, the title, who else is part of it, what version is it, is there an episode number, who's the publisher, and then the date. If it was accessed online, you need to say that, or if it was from a library database. And then you would say create citation, and it will create the same type of citation that we see here for you. Okay. I would recommend that you start to, as you get citations, that you keep them all on one document. And that'll just make it easier when you get to the end. All right. And then I want to scroll down here to the bottom because I want to show you right here. As long as you're in this Citation Maker, you can find this, but the Works Cited formatting tips, this is what you need to make sure that your Works Cited page looks how it should. So you're just basically going to treat this like a little checklist. Once you have all your citations complete, you're going to paste them all into a document, and then you're going to correct and do these steps. Okay, so your Works Cited page should appear at the end of the paper. It should be its own piece of paper, so you're not adding this onto your last page. It'll be its own page at the very end. Works Cited is centered 1 inch from the top of the page, so you want to put that title 1 inch from the top of the page, and then you're going to double space, so you're going to return twice, and then you'll start your first citation. You want to make sure that you capitalize the first word of each title and all the words in the title, except for the, at, to, in, a, and think words like that. Okay. Make sure you double space both between citations and within them. This is important. When a citation has more than one line, use a hanging indent. All this means is the second line of that citation, you're going to press your space bar 5 times so that there's a little bit of space. So it's really clear where each new citation starts. Because if one citation has 2 lines, you're going to make sure that the second line is indented a little bit so it's clear it's part of that citation, not a new one. All right, and then this is the most important thing. You're going to alphabetize the entire list by the first word of each citation. So from A to Z, top to bottom. You might not have all those letters, but whichever citation has a letter that comes first will be your first citation, and then you'll go in order all the way down. Okay, that's really, really important. Okay, so I'd put them all on there. I would maybe do this in order, and then the last step would be to alphabetize. If two or more citations, this one I've never actually had this happen to me. But if two of your citations are by the same author, it says only include the name in the first entry. Thereafter, in place of the name, type 3 hyphens followed by a period and the title. Arrange the works listed under the same name in alphabetical order by title. So if you end up using things by more than one author with the same name, that's what you would do. But I think that that's pretty rare. All right. I hope that this helps you. If you need help or you have any other questions, you can certainly ask your teacher, or you can come and find me in the library, or send me an email, dawn_morgan@beaverton.k12.or.us. Good luck.